Welcome to the Competence Center Leveling.
KOHLER is a one-stop source for leveling technology and the associated periphery, including for handling, leveling, cutting, washing, and stacking sheet metal. The company's extensive process and application expertise concerning customer requirements was fully exploited in this project. The task was to develop a decoiling line that fulfills the highest requirements concerning surface quality and flatness. For this challenging task, special attention had to be given to the very pronounced crossbow across the width of the strip material to be leveled, which had to be eliminated completely. The leveling result had to be free of any marks or indentations, let alone scratches, without the strip picking up any grease or oil residue from the leveling machine. Aluminum cut-to-length line for scratch-free decoiling and top leveling quality. The customer, the Zeppelin Systems GmbH, is a leading global plant engineering company for the handling of high-quality bulk materials. Silos and containers are parts of bulk goods machinery that is used to handle powders and granulates. Large aluminum sheets of high quality are required to produce silos. To meet the ever-rising demands on sheet metal quality, the company invested in a new cut-to-length line, including a leveling machine. The dry and unoiled coils with an outer diameter of up to 1900 millimeters, a strip width of up to 2500 millimeters, and a thickness of up to 12 millimeters have a maximum weight of 10 tons. The coil is placed on the coil loading car with the help of a lifting unit. It is then brought to the decoiler by the movable coil loading car, transferred to the decoiler shaft by a hydraulic sliding wedge system, and secured in position. The decoiler is equipped with an edge control system, which guarantees that the strip always runs through the center of the machine. This ensures the reliable production of perfectly rectangular parts. The pressure arm above the decoiler mandrel secures the strip radially. A hydraulic hinge support prevents the decoiler shaft from bending due to the high tension on the strip. The strip lead-in device, consisting of a down pressure roller and a strip lead-in wedge, ensures the safe insertion of the strip into the machine, particularly for material that is thick and wide. The down pressure roller straightens the curved strip so that the lead-in device can insert it into the leveling machine. A telescopic lead-in wedge can be used to accommodate various strip widths. The pinch rollers that follow downstream keep the strip under tension between the machine and the decoiler, and also provide the drive for feeding the strip. When the pinch rollers have been closed and grip the strip, it can no longer spring back out of the machine. The lead-in wedge then retracts and the strip lead-in device opens. At the same time, the coil loading car returns to its initial position to be loaded with the next coil. The 5-roller pre-leveling rack eliminates the crossbow of the strip and runs absolutely synchronously with the 13-roller leveling machine. The leveling unit, provided with hard chrome-plated rollers, minimizes the internal tension in the material, resulting from its manufacturing process. Likewise, intermediate rollers are used to prevent the supporting rollers from causing any indentations on the surface of the strip. A felt cleaning device can be used to remove any dirt particles that get into the machine. It can be inserted into the machine while the coil is being changed. The felt oscillates between the leveling rollers and removes the dirt particles that have gathered there. The integrated data management system, which stores details of the different materials used on the machine, is also state-of-the-art, as is its visualization, which provides appropriate support for the operator. The entire system satisfies the relevant standards and regulations and can easily be controlled by one operator. A special saw cuts the part from the coil. It is equipped with a special blade and an integrated blade lubrication, which guarantee a high degree of wear resistance as well as perfect cutting. The cutting speed of the saw can be programmed to the ideal setting for different strip thicknesses. A suction device prevents metal swarf from falling into the machine and automatically collects it in a container on the back side of the machine. The cut metal sheet is automatically transported to the crane unloading position. The roller conveyor includes a residual strip driver unit to guarantee that even the last piece of the strip can be utilized. With the help of a suction unit, the finished metal sheets are placed on a wagon that transfers them to the downstream processing steps. Coil. Decoiling the coil. Leveling process. Cutting process. Transferring the finished metal sheets. Welding a silo.
KOHLER Peak Performance Leveling Machines.